feel it wrapped around your soul.
Hey guys, today's video is really special because today we finally hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'd like to thank you for following me on my journey. I know that 10,000 subscribers is nothing to brag about compared to other YouTubers, but the feeling of helping out people and receiving beautiful comments from you guys to encourage me and to continue is really something that keeps me engaged and puts a smile on my face. So because of this, we finally hit 10,000 subscribers and I was really happy, so I decided to do a very small celebration. This is the clipping of that. So guys, just keep supporting and loving my content, and this way I'm promising you guys that I'll be surely going to upload more and more videos further, which will be more entertaining and more creative. So just like this only, keep loving, keep supporting and subscribe.